The Trump administration visa suspension. What is affected and what is not?
Greetings. I'm lawyer Edwin Fogam. I've been practicing immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. Today, let us look at the Trump administration pause on immigrant visas. Recently, earlier this month, January 2026, the Trump administration issued this executive order suspending or pausing all immigrant visas for about 75 countries. Now, this is going to take effect on January 26 of this year, 2026. So today I wanted to touch on what is suspended or paused, what is not, who are those who are likely to be affected, and what you can do about it. First of all, this suspension affects only immigrant visas from abroad, that is from U.S. consulates and embassies, those who are applying for immigrant visas. Immigrant visas are visas for permanent residencies, that is coming in as a permanent resident. And this does not affect the following: immigrant visas within the United States, in other words, adjustment of status. It does not affect non-immigrant visas from abroad, not directly, but it may directly affect those because there will be heightened scrutiny of the non-immigrant visas. Those are temporary visas like H-1B, B-1, B-2, F-1, J-1, and so on. It also does not affect visas that have been issued already. Even if the beneficiary is abroad, they will still be able to come in because the visas have been issued. And within the United States, it will not affect persons who have been granted those visas as well. And it doesn't affect those who hold green cards, because some of our clients have been panicking that this affects actually immigrants in the United States who have permanent residency. No, it doesn't. Now, who is likely to be affected by this? There are two categories of people: family-based petitions and employment-based petitions that are filed and will be concluded by consular processing. In other words, when a petition is filed in the United States and the beneficiary is abroad and has to go through consular processing to come in as a permanent resident, either family-based or employment-based. These categories of visas will be affected a lot because those visas have not yet been issued, even though the petitions have been approved here in the United States. So what can you do about this pause or this suspension? Of course, the first thing is to strategically determine your path, whether it's consular processing or adjustment of status. Very important. Secondly, do whatever you can if you are within the United States seeking adjustment of status to make sure you adjust your status here. This includes looking at various waiver strategies. And thirdly, stay informed and make sure you have an attorney you can contact or somebody working with you to see when this suspension can change and how to strategically use that gap. If you don't have an attorney to represent you, feel free to contact us. You can reach us on 301-608-1555, or you can send us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. And as always, do not fear the system. Understand it, work with it, and benefit from it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.